Have you ever wanted to create a TikTok account for another country like the United States, United Kingdom, France, Canada, Germany, Australia, or even Japan, and access content that's trending in those regions without spending money on a VPN? Maybe you're a content creator looking to reach a global audience. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple setup process that can help you create a TikTok account and start exploring content from different regions completely free. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the end. I'll also share a few important tips that can help improve your experience and avoid common mistakes that many people make during setup. Before we start, if you enjoy this content, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and give us a thumbs up. All right, with that out of the way, let's head over to the screen and get started. All right, let's get you set up with a UK or US TikTok account without needing a VPN. I've got a simple, quick method for you. Here we go.
So the first thing is to get a fresh email and go to your profile, click the hamburger button, then come to settings and privacy, switch account, add a new account. Let's select Nigeria, change the country, scroll to the bottom, select the country you want. If it is USA, but we are going to select United Kingdom. So let's pick United Kingdom. You can select any other country. I will select United Kingdom. Then you can see the United Kingdom is already selected here. So your date of birth, change your date of birth to any date of birth you want. As you can see, at this moment we are using a test date of birth, but if you are creating your account, you should use your correct date of birth. Yeah, and phone number, go to the email side and enter the email address you want to use. So let's type the LD lifestyle or something. The LD lifestyle. Okay, it will send the OTP. Enter the OTP. Skip phone number, you don't need it. Enter your password. Enter a strong password and continue. Type in the nickname or the username you want to use. That's all. Your account is created. So let's confirm the account. Go to your profile and select the hamburger button again. Open TikTok Studio. And you can see we have the creators reward program. Let's also go back. Click settings and privacy, accounts.
And that's how you create UK, US, or any country's TikTok account without VPN. Also, if you like this video, kindly subscribe and follow for more contents like this.